Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 14 Plus, and now I'm gonna show you how to install extensions on your Safari browser. Okay, firstly open Settings, then scroll down and find Safari here. Then choose Extensions and More Extensions. Here we will see all extensions we can install on our device. For example, turn off the light for Safari, password manager, good links, language translator by Mate. We can install content blockers, for example, AdGuard or AdBlock Plus or AdBlock Pro. We can install PayPal, Grammarly, I don't know, Auto Clicker, Boost Cleaner, Storage Cleaner. We can buy the extensions. We can buy AdGuard Pro, for example, or AdBlock Pro. And cool. For example, I want to install AdGuard in my Safari browser. So to install the extension, just click Get, then click Install, then click Open. Click I agree, continue. Then you need to activate the extension you was installed. So to activate extension, open Settings. You will see in Extensions all added plugins, then enable all plugins or extension. Allow this extension, click all websites and click Allow. And cool, we have installed the AdGuard on our device, and now we have no ads in our Safari browser. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.